Cancer, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong weekly reading for September 2 to 8, 2024. If you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paka-check nyo lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. Okay, let's see. Cancer, what's up sa inyo? You have union, sun plus moon. Uy, 36, number 9. Aring number 36 is important sa inyo or number 9. So, merong union, partnership, pwede rin sa relationship to. Pwede rin marriage or a connection, romantic connection or, partnership sa business for you. Merong agreement. You have 11th house, Pluto in Libra. 11th house is your wishes, your dreams, your hopes. So, pwedeng may nagbabago sa iyong mga pangarap sa buhay. I feel like you are more focused on balancing your energy na hindi laging puro trabaho lang ng trabaho. You also need to take care of yourself. Maari ring you will gain like recognition from others, no? Maaring isa yan sa nagbabago sa buhay mo ngayon, especially if you are someone na connected sa isang tao, parang love team. Yung iba sa inyo, sisikat or magiging popular dahil sa love team or sa someone that you are connecting with, no? Parang pwedeng meron kang karelasyon na sikat, tapos ikaw, makukuha mo rin yung kasikatan na yan or vice versa. Okay? Some of you naman, meron kayong marireceive na recognition dahil dinideserve nyo yon, pinagtrabahuhan nyo, pinaghirapan niyo. Okay? Let's see what else. You have a message. So, merong importanteng mensahe na marireceive kayo this week. Very prominent yung number 9. Okay? Number 9 in numerology is like culmination. It's like an ending, a release of something that is no longer serving your highest good. So, pwedeng merong transformation or change na mangyayari sa inyo related to your dreams, your hopes, yung pangarap mo sa buhay. You have Neptune in the 3rd house, in Virgo in the 3rd house. 3rd house is about communication. Maaring merong learning, bagong mga kaalaman for you. This is related to your creative talents, your creative skills. And I think, mas magiging careful ka sa opportunities na dumarating sa'yo, lalo na kung ito ay uma-align or umaayon sa talento na meron ka. For example, meron kang interest or talent sa baking, and then meron kang nakitang opportunity na mas mapaunlad mo pa yung knowledge mo doon, merong training, tapos yung training na yun naka 50% discount. So parang it's like mga signs, no? Signals or signs sa'yo na subukan mo na or gawin mo na yon dahil pinapakita sa'yo ng universe na it is all in alignment. Okay? So, yung iba naman, let's see ano pa. For Cancer. Ancestor, past. Maaring meron kayong kailangang ayusin related sa inyong past, especially sa, let's say, mana or ari-arian ng parents, lolo-lola ninyo, or anything that you need to fix or pay attention, no? Kailangan mo bigyan ng attention. Example, meron kang namayapan na mahal sa buhay, parents o kaya lolo-lola, na kailangan mong ayusin yung kanyang huling hantungan, no? Parang gano'n, no? Yung, lalo na ngayon na oo nga, malapit na yung All Souls Day, Undas. So, maaring meron kayong mga asikasuhin na kung saan man nakalibing yung mga ancestors ninyo na kailangan nyo ipalinis, iayos, no? Or i-renovate. Oo. Or mga, pwede rin kasing, mga ari-arian or gamit na kailangan nyo ng i-dispose or ayusin. Let's see what else. You have 5th house. This is Aquarius, the Sun. Sun and Aquarius. Okay. Maaring yung iba sa inyo, meron sa inyong mana. Mana, itong mana kasi, hindi lang siya pera or material na bagay. Pwede mo ring manahin yung talento, no? Or galing, expertise ng iyong ancestors, lolo, lola, parents. So, maaring ito na yung time na pinapakita sa'yo na it's time for you to explore and discover more about this talent na ipinamana sa'yo. Okay? Halimbawa, magaling ka magluto. O maaring yan, nakuha mo yan sa parents mo. So, kung hindi mo siya ginagawang business or something that will help you improve your living condition, maaring ngayon, you will realize na, teka, baka subukan ko na to. No? Something about your creativity. And then, yeah, that's what I'm seeing for you. Meron kayong mga kailangang asikasuhin related sa inyong mga ancestors, mga ninuno, or inyong elderly, yung mga family members niya na namayapa na. Let's see your overall energy. You have the Elder of Wands. So this is the energy of King of Wands. Someone who is very creative. Ito yung tipong walang makakapigil sa kanya sa mga gusto niyang gawin, sa mga gusto niyang i-pursue. Very passionate sa buhay. So maaring iba sa inyo, you will finally pursue your passion. Your challenge is the Ten of Pentacles. Oh, alam niyo, Ten of Pentacles, this is also related to inheritance, no? So, pwedeng isa sa challenge ninyo, pwedeng kung meron kayong kailangang ayusin or asikasuhin related sa mana, pera man yan, ari-arian, lupa, or kagamitan, pwedeng you will experience some challenges, lalo na sa hatian, or someone who are also involved, no? Very prominent ang number 9, oo. Number 9, number 1. 1 is about new beginnings. Oo. New opportunities coming in sa inyo. Kaya lang parang ang isa sa challenge sa inyo is kung paano kayo magsisimula. Oo. Ano man tong gusto nyong simulan. It can be a business or a career. Your opportunity, the Ten of Wands. As an opportunity, ano man yung mga responsibilities na meron ka, kayang-kaya mo siyang i-handle, kayang-kaya mo siyang i-manage. Minsan lang, iniisip mo na hindi mo kaya, maybe because na-overwhelm ka lang, but hindi naman yan ibibigay sa'yo kung hindi mo kaya. So, you have the opportunity to manage all your obligations, responsibilities. And then, your blessing is the Oracle of Pentacles. Energy to ng Queen of Pentacles, which is stability in your finances. May mga bees dyan, tapos may honey. So, honey, it symbolizes success as well. Yung fruits of your labor, it's sweet success. Kasi di ba yung mga bees, masipag sila, no? So, kung ang blessing mo, kung ikaw masipag, you will experience sweet success. So, let's see yung energy ng money, career, finances for Cancer. You have the Five of Pentacles. Nako. So, ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na maaring may challenge when it comes to mana or pera, inheritance. So, pwedeng magkaroon dyan ng agawan or struggle for some of you. So, sa love life naman, you have the Hermit. So, yung iba sa inyo nananahimik lang, ayaw muna ninyong makipag-usap. If you are connecting with someone, parang nagtatago ka or umiiwas ka. If you are single, maaring sa ngayon hindi mo priority ang relationship. Mas priority mo yung career mo, finances. Wise woman, a change is coming. So, merong major change coming in for you, Cancer. Let's see in what area of life is this. 10th house sa career, especially sa inyong career. Kaya siguro yan muna ang inyong binibigyan ng attention ngayon. Okay, so that is your reading, Cancer. Thank you so much. Bye.